Welcome to Drive Time, where we bring you the most powerful machines from the world of motorcycling. Today, we're diving into a bike that's stirring up the off-road world, the 2026 Kawasaki KX500. A name etched into motocross history, the KX500 returns after decades of silence. This new-age beast reimagines everything we loved about the original two-stroke legend, while integrating modern technology to create the most ferocious off-road machine of the decade. Legendary heritage, built for domination. The original Kawasaki KX500, produced from the 1980s until the early 2000s, was nothing short of iconic. Known for its raw, almost unmanageable power and lightweight frame, it dominated desert races, motocross circuits, and hill climbs. Riders both feared and revered its explosive 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. For years, fans have begged Kawasaki to bring it back, and in 2026, they finally have. But this time, it's smarter, sharper, and more controlled, while still channeling the aggressive DNA of its predecessor. Engine and performance. The KX500 lies a re-engineered 499 cubic centimeters two-stroke single-cylinder engine, a modern version of the original powerhouse. With fuel injection replacing carburetors and an electronically controlled exhaust valve, the engine offers brutal acceleration and enhanced throttle response without the unpredictability of old-school two-strokes. Power output reaches around 65 horsepower, and thanks to weight-saving materials, the bike maintains a dry weight under 110 kilograms, ensuring a power-to-weight ratio that can intimidate even seasoned riders. Whether you're climbing dunes or hitting technical trails, the KX500 delivers explosive performance on command. Chassis and suspension, purpose-built precision. To harness all that power, Kawasaki has designed an all-new aluminum perimeter frame, optimized for rigidity and flexibility. It gives the bike incredible agility and stability under hard landings and high-speed runs. The chassis geometry is tuned to maintain front-end traction even under aggressive throttle input. Up front, the 2026 KX500 features KYB 49mm AOS forks with triple adjustability, while the rear is controlled by a KYB shock with a revised linkage system. This setup allows riders to customize their suspension for anything, from desert terrain to tight enduro trails. Ground clearance and travel remain generous, keeping the bike trail capable and race ready. Tech and features, old school heart, modern brain. Though it retains a minimalist, dirt bike aesthetic, the new KX500 includes modern electronics where they matter. A switchable launch control mode, handlebar-mounted traction control toggle, and riding modes are new additions, giving riders more control over the bike's beastly personality. A small digital display provides vital information like gear position, RPM, and trip data, while Bluetooth connectivity via the Kawasaki Rideology app allows for tuning engine maps and suspension presets from a smartphone. This is a two-stroke made for the digital age, tuned not just in the garage, but on the fly. Design and ergonomics, rugged and ready. Visually, the 2026 KX500 stays true to Kawasaki's motocross roots, with aggressive bodywork, a slim fuel tank, and minimalist plastics that reflect its lightweight philosophy. The new body design improves rider mobility and reduces drag, especially at high speeds. The riding triangle has been refined for both standing and seated riding, and Kawasaki offers two handlebar positions and adjustable foot peg mounts to suit riders of all sizes. The seat is flat, grippy, and built for movement, essential for motocross, enduro, and trail versatility. It's a bike designed to be one with the rider, no matter the terrain. Final thoughts: the return of the Alpha. The 2026 Kawasaki KX500 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a declaration. A declaration that the raw, unapologetic thrill of two-stroke power still has a place in a world of four-stroke domination. This machine is not for the faint of heart. It's for riders who crave intensity, who want to feel every vibration, every rev, and every launch like a punch to the chest. Whether you're a desert racer, motocross junkie, or a collector of legends, the new KX500 is here to deliver an unforgettable riding experience. It's fast, it's wild, and it's back, with a vengeance. Outro. Thanks for joining us here on Drive Time. If you're as excited about the return of the Kawasaki KX500 as we are, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you dare to tame this two-stroke titan. Until next time, ride hard and ride free. Drive Time, where performance meets passion.